The Competition Appellate Tribunal has upheld an order by the Competition Commission of India that imposed a 630 crore rupees penalty on DLF. The case relates to DLF's Bel Air project in Gurgaon, where the real estate major was charged for abusing its dominant position by framing a builder-buy agreement skewed in favor of the developer. The company has been given time for 60 days to pay penalty. DLF has said that it will be challenging the order passed by COMPAT in Supreme Court. The company, in a release to BSE, said that it wishes to point out that it successfully delivered Park Place, Bel Air and Magnolia projects, which were the subject matter of the appeals. DLF said it has respected in true letter and spirit the customer commitments made by it. Delhi Metro's Yellow Line from Jahangirpuri to Hura city centre will now be extended up to Manesar in Gurgaon. According to officials of the Haryana government, the detailed project report for the extension will be ready in another 6 months. Once the DPR is ready, the state government will approach the centre for project approval. The extended stretch will be over 30 km long and will run alongside the Dwarka Expressway and the southern peripheral roads. According to officials, the extension is part of the mass rapid transport system connecting Gurgaon, Manesar, Bawal, Rewari and Neemrana. Haryana government has approved the proposal to fund the extension of metro from YMCA Chowk to Faridabad to provide metro rail connectivity. Central government had already given the nod for this extension. The extension project is likely to cost over 130 crore rupees to the exchequer. Work on the Badarpur-Faridabad metro line up to YMCA Chowk is already underway and is likely to be completed by September this year. State-owned Housing and Urban Development Corporation (HUDCO's) loan disbursement for housing and urban infrastructure projects rose 22% to over 7,400 crore rupees during the last fiscal. HUDCO's net profit increased marginally to 719 crore rupees in 2013-14 from 700 crore in the previous year. HUDCO raised a total of 4,993 crore rupees through tax-free bonds during the last fiscal. The company utilized the funds to finance the government's housing and urban infrastructure projects, working capital requirements, augmenting the company's resource base and other operational requirements.